Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. So, 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try E4 and let's go with an ordinary Sicilian. Can be good fun. Go 1970s style with Queen F3 stuff. It's playing quite quickly, isn't it, really? This is a fun sort of position. I'm glad he's given me this. So G4 here. Is he going to play G5? Yes. If I just take that F file, I'm going to end up losing a piece. Oh, that was dumb. To E5, I'm going to end up losing a piece to E5. Oh, that was super dumb. Okay, pawn sack. Oh dear. Can I play queen takes here? Knight d3 is going to win my queen after d5. Alright, that seems to be some compensation. Bishop g5 threatening to win the queen. Get out of here. Bishop g1, try and use the g file later. There's h3 and bishop h2. Just going to castle queenside. I'll attack this guy. This c2. That's not so much fun for me, this position. I didn't expect this. Rook g1 to g7 though. Maybe, you know, keep optimistic. Rook g1 to g7. There's bishop g2 and there's bishop d3. My sense is going to fall apart if I don't protect e4. There's rook f1, so I have got that f file. Oh, I am losing a piece. Okay. Oh man. Oh dear, oh dear. What a game. Okay, this dynamic play. I've got the f file. I've got d6. His king's in the center. I guess you can call this dynamic play. I don't want an exchange of rooks particularly. Though b4 could force an exchange of rooks. Knight d5. I've got pressure over there. Maybe knight d5 is okay. Knight d5. Is that difficult to meet in this position? It's an unprotected rook potentially. Knight d5. Okay, it's thinking. It's thinking. That's a good sign. Is that such a big problem? Okay, it's giving me d6. I can take on d6. Or, I don't know, knight d5 here. He just takes on d5. So I think taking on d6. There's queen f6 as well to consider. So e5. Now taking, I've got that h8 rook in sight. Knight e4 might actually be fun for knight c5 later. Could I really have enough dynamic play here? Knight moves knight e4. Oh, okay. I think I've got a target. Or knight e4. Knight e4. D takes. And then I'm attacking the rook after. Maybe e5 after that. Anything cleverer? Yeah. There's rook f1. It's knight moves then knight e4. What about that? So takes f6 all the time. Knight moves knight e4. Another thing. Okay. Let's put this rook away so I don't have to exchange rooks necessarily on c1. Is he going to move that knight? I don't know. a3. Right, he's moving that knight. I get this knight e4. Does that mean knight c5 though? Is on the cards. If knight c5, I'm going to take on e6 later. He's got bishop d6. No, he hasn't got bishop d6. H4 is interesting. Okay, he's giving up an exchange for that. Was that needed? I can take on a6. Try and keep the tension in position. Queen c3. Actually, there's knight e6 here. Okay, so two rooks against bishop and knight scenario. Better than before. Actually, I'm on h6 here. He's on d3. Okay, I'll give that one up. It's not back row mating yet. Queen h8, rook d1, queen h8 might be interesting. Dangerous. Queen hasn't got too many squares. Queen c6. It's got queen c4 to be annoying. He's getting a bit short on time here. It's been very annoying now. Attacking my queen all the time. Knight, okay, I'm going to stop knight c2 I think. Okay, knight b3 threatened now. He's got all the attack. There's rook d1 rook over here. Is that threatening anything? Can I attack here? No. So queen a8, queen g8, rook d1. Let's check bishop f8, q1. So if I get a knight pin, that should be fun with check, rook d1.
Check.
And there's a check here.
Check.
For queen d4 to protect b2. Yeah, I spent too much time. So piece sacked later, piece lost later, whatever. Pardon me. Fg. So just give him give him that. Here, interesting. So this might be okay. This is a better version of the game. Yeah, I've got some F-file pressure here. So it's a better version of the game. That's definite F-file pressure. So that might be fun. But this, nope, horrible. Mind you, here, I don't think he's that much better now. It's compensation for that pawn. It's just what happened later with losing the piece now. So knight d3, I guess, was a good move here. Yeah, just to win the piece. And first thing, I think knight d5. So bishop e6, good move. Good idea for that pin. Now, I mean, the evaluation is not totally severe here. After if he moved the rook, all right. If he moved the rook here, well, I'll take the queen. Oh, if he moves the queen, I'll take here. That might be okay for black as well. But it seems as though the evaluation isn't
Check.
totally terrible. It's rook e7. Nope. Don't really want to. Right, now I'm back in the driving seat, it seems. Yeah, Queen G2 is actually mentioned. Good move, finally hitting a few things. Queen G2. So he goes rook e3. And I'm actually better here, it seems.
Check.
Even with this. There's Queen C8 check here. So he had King E6, but this is just losing actually to Queen G4, I think. Because of Queen D4 next. Well, I think this is good enough. Mind you, there's Bishop F6 after, so even stronger here is apparently check.
Check.
Drive the bishop back. Queen G8? Oh.
Check.
Okay. Yeah, even stronger.
Check.
Alright, I thought I was just going to take on D4 there. If I did take on D4, say I had time to play this out. Yeah, this position, there's Bishop F6.
Check.
Do I get out of this? I suppose I do. A little bit.
Check.
It's tricky. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.